everyone. Today's question is about friction. A student pulls a block of wood mass 4 kilograms along a horizontal surface by applying a constant force of 15 newtons. Calculate the coefficient of friction on the surface. So first of all, let us get to the background of this. When we have an object on a given surface, remember we're told that this object is being pulled and the force applied here is 15 newtons. So it is being pulled on this surface at a constant force, 15 newtons. Well, we need to note that if we have an object resting on a surface, then this object exerts an action force which is equivalent to the weight of the object, and the surface in turn exerts a reaction force. This reaction force is equal and opposite to its weight, and that means that the reaction force and the weight are equal. Remember, the weight is mass times the gravitational field strength. As this object moves along the surface, it experiences frictional force which acts between the object being pulled and the surface. It acts in opposite direction. So there's one thing here we need to take note of. When we pull the object and realize a constant force, then the kind of friction that we have here is the kinetic friction, and this kinetic friction varies directly as the reaction force. You know that the reaction force is the weight, which is mass times gravitational field strength. So we may say the kinetic friction is equal to, so we introduce a constant, and this constant will be the coefficient of friction, mu r. This can also be written as mu w, and w is mass times gravitational field strength. We finally have this equation. The kinetic friction is equal to mu mg. When the object is being pulled at a constant force, that constant force will be equivalent to the kinetic friction, and therefore doing our substitutions, we have kinetic friction which is 15 newtons equated to mu times the weight of the object, and we're told that it had a mass of 4 kilograms. So we multiply that by the gravitational field strength. So we have 4 by the gravitational field strength G, which is 10. And from this, we can say that mu is 15 all over. So we divide by this bracket here, which is 4 by 10. So that is 15 over 40. 15 over 40 should give us 0.375. Remember, mu here is a constant, and mu doesn't have a unit. So our result is 0.375 for the coefficient of friction. And with that, we come to the end of this problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.